Okay, welcome to the second part of our share repurchase versus dividend payout comparison. I've set it up here for us to compare the two methods. Now put yourself in the perspective of a shareholder, and this is the scenario. You own just one share, to make it really simple. You own one share in either of the scenarios. Now, when we had the dividend payout, there was a dividend paid to you of $2. So you can take the dividend, $2 dividend, and that gives you $2. And if you want to cash your share, you can sell it. But since the dividends were paid out already, we know that after dividends are paid out, the share price falls from 42 to 40. So you can sell it for $40 on the market, and in total then you have your $2 dividend and $40 from the share. So in total you have the value of $42 for your one share. How about here, share repurchases? Remember, when they did share repurchases, they used the 20 million. They bought the shares at at $42 per share, and after that, the share price stayed the same because proportionally the value of the company, market value of equity of company, and the number of shares were reduced by the same proportion. So the share price stayed 42. The share repurchases are done at $42. So nothing happens to the share price. So if you want to cash your one share, the only thing you can do is to sell it at $42. So if you sell, you can sell it at